Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get custom ringtones from YouTube onto your iPad or iPhone. So, basically I wanted to try and make a Windows theme. Like, you see, Windows 10 has been out for quite some time now, and I kind of wanted to bring back the nostalgia of older versions. So, first thing I did was get all these old wallpapers like this one. You can tell it's like low quality and stuff. It looks pretty good. I also got the old Windows XP grass wallpaper. And it's like a slideshow, so it switches every 10 minutes. So basically, how this works is you search up on Bing, or just YouTube, or anywhere really. I went to Bing, and I searched up Windows 7 sound. I said Windows 7 startup sound, and everyone knows this. Everyone knows this tune, obviously. So, basically, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. So, number one, make sure it's just a bit easier if you have it at the very beginning, because then you won't. The thing is, YouTube always automatically continues it later, so you want to have it at the end, or else it'll add extra stuff to this URL you don't want. So, and you have to. It's just easier this way. So basically, you copy paste this, and find a YouTube to MP3 converter online. Personally, I think this is my favorite right here. YouTube MP3free.org. And yeah, so it takes a second to work, but it does work. I've already done this before, so I'm going to go all the way to the GarageBand bit when we're about to export, and then I'll show you the one I've already done. And when someone texts me, I'll show you. So basically, this is confusing. Okay, so please wait. 3, 2, 1. Download MP3. Save. And basically, what you do here is go to Mail. Make sure that you set up your email. Basically, I'm going to set it to rwestall. I'm just going to... Okay, here we go. So I had to cut that last part out because I didn't want you guys to... Okay, I'm just going to continue this later. So basically, you go into Mail, and I don't want to show any last names and stuff, so I'm gonna have to cut out that whole part when I'm in Mail. So basically, go to Mail. Make sure you're registered on your iPad or iPhone. So for instance, like on my iPad here, you make sure you're signed into Mail. Oh yeah, before you do this, actually, there's something else you need to do first. So basically, go to this. Hold up. Downloads. See this new one right here? So basically, now you take this and you need to go get Audacity. And if you don't want to go through the trouble of doing, oh shoot, I can't. Wind reason. Basically, if you don't want to go through the trouble of doing administrative purposes, like having to get your parents to type in the administrative password, you can get a zip file version and extract it. So that would also work. Definitely did something wrong here. Oh shoot. Discard projects. Okay. So hold up. So now you go to your file and stuff. Import audio, and then simply you go to your downloads, go to quick access, downloads, find it. We just gotta scroll until I find it. So Windows 7 startup. Basically, this part is really important. So make sure export audio and then change it to AIFF, Apple. Basically, if you don't do this, it will not work, because you need to make sure you have the right file. So export it, and then send it off to mail. So I'm going to join you on a screen recording on my iPad once it sends. Okay, so I just sent it, and I should hear a ringtone from my iPad any moment now. I already set up my mail ringtone, so it's going to sound like one of the Windows, old Windows ringtones, actually. I just got to wait till it happens. Takes a minute sometimes. Just wait. Wait till it sends. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, I'm just going to show you I'm just going to do it with the one I already have. So I'll be back in a sec. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm on my iPad. So basically for this next part, you need GarageBand. So how this works is you simply get your, hold up guys, sorry. Okay, so I had to cut the part again because it has names. So basically, I made it here, and here's the clip. This is actually from a couple days ago, because for some reason the mail I sent now isn't really working. So here's the one I sent a couple days ago. Simply, you go to this and save to files. This is important because files is actually the place where you, and then make sure it's in the GarageBand file transfer. And I already have it in there, so I'm going to show you guys. Go to GarageBand. It has to be an AIFF file, or else it won't properly work too. So, GarageBand file transfer. You can see Windows 7 is in there. You can't do it right now. Basically, I'm going to show you one I've already done before. Hold up. Let me just find it. Here we go. Here's my song too. Oh, so you can cut off all the extra parts too, so you don't have like any extra spaces. And then click the loop, and then and this is how you add them too. You simply drag and drop into a certain lane, and it'll work. So and then after that, to make this into actual ringtone, just go back to my songs, select this, share, song ringtone project, and go to ringtone, and then you can name it and stuff, and then it'll be in your ringtones area. So basically how you do this is you go to settings, and make sure, and go to the sound setting, and then you can see I've already set up 3 of these. Oh no, I didn't mean to click on this one. So basically, my ringtone is Windows Millennium Edition startup sound. My text tone is the Windows 7 ringtone startup sound. And my new mail, like when I get a new piece of mail from any of my mailing accounts, the Windows Millennium Edition shutdown sound. And I'm still actually after this video, I'm gonna set up the sent mail, the calendar alerts, the reminder alerts, and AirDrop alert with Windows sounds. I've already got a couple. So here's the 2 others that I did. So here's Windows ME. Oh yeah, and it'll also be up like above this line. All the other ones down here, these are other ones. These are like the regular ones that come with iOS. And then here's the shutdown one. It's not working.